Sanding is not exactly complicated, especially when sanding by hand, but there's still one mistake people commonly make: sanding against the grain. What that means is moving the sandpaper across the grain, which usually means across the width of a board. If you sand across the grain lines, the sandpaper tends to leave visible scratches. The best way to sand is in line with the grain, along the length of the board. This board is unsanded and shows blotchy, uneven color and a rough surface. This one was sanded, but across the grain. There are lots of small visible scratches that don't look good. This board was sanded with the grain. The color is consistent and the surface is nice and smooth.